Hello everyone, my name is Istika William and I am the representative for the team Electromotive in the Forging Africa's Future Mechanical Engineers FAFME 2020 competition. My team will be working on the project, the Solar Assisted Automated Lawnmower. The world is constantly undergoing revolution and more and technical ways to tackle everyday problems are being sought after. This is why the countries of the world are now ranked from least developed to developed countries. Nigeria is currently recognized as a developing country and by implication has a low human development index and less developed industrial base. Urban cities are fast emerging nevertheless to facilitate development, and one of the ways to differentiate between an urbanized and a rural one is its cleanliness. Lawn maintenance and landscaping remains a major constraint. Traditionally, hoes, cutlasses, grass shears and many other hand tools are used for grass cutting, but these tools can usually be time consuming and also stressful. A lawnmower was developed to meet the shortcomings of these tools. A lawn is any area of grass neatly cut to a desired height. A lawnmower is a machine utilizing one or more revolving blades to cut grass. But here are some of the major problems associated with the traditional lawnmowers. Number one, the depleting source of energy used for the machine. Number two, it results in more work time for having to fill the tank with fuel. Number three, noise and environmental pollution resulting from its engine. Number four, it requires expertise and is dangerous when used by the non-experienced. This is why we, Team Electromotive, presents a solar-assisted automated lawnmower to tackle the problems associated with the traditional lawnmowers. And this lawnmower utilizes technology like energy directly from the sun, a rechargeable battery to reduce the noise and is rechargeable during the day, sensors to detect obstacles, and an Android smartphone utilizing Arduino Studio. This project also meets some of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals like good health and well-being, sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, innovation and infrastructure, climate action. With no doubt, it can be seen that the solar-assisted automated lawnmower is efficient in terms of reduction of noise and air pollution. It requires less human effort and will increase productivity. It is therefore necessary for this technology to be embraced. Thank you for listening.